In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a cinematic video in CapCut. Start by opening CapCut. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Both work well and share the same core tools. Once you're in, make sure you're working in a clean project so your clips and adjustments stay organized and easy to manage as you go. Next, set your aspect ratio to 16.9. This widescreen frame is perfect for a cinematic look and is the most common format for platforms like YouTube. Choosing it at the start ensures your edits, crops, and effects line up correctly, and you won't need to fix framing later. Now upload your videos. Bring in the highest quality versions you have for the best results. If your footage comes from different cameras or phones, that's fine. CapCut handles a mix of resolutions smoothly. Name your clips clearly so you can find the best moments quickly, and give the app a moment to finish processing before you move on. Drag your clips to the timeline and take your time arranging them. Start with a strong establishing shot, then build a sequence that moves from wide to medium to close-up for visual variety. Trim the beginnings and endings to remove dead space, cut on motion to make transitions feel seamless, and leave a beat of breathing room between key moments so the story flows. Think about pacing. Slower cuts feel more cinematic, so don't rush unless the scene calls for energy. Open the Filters panel to begin shaping your look. Filters are a fast way to unify clips and give your video a consistent mood without heavy color grading. Head to the Movie section, where the cinematic styles live. These are designed to emulate film-inspired tones and contrast, which is exactly what we want. Choose the filter called Cocoa Sunset. It's a warm, moody look that adds depth and a soft golden cast, great for sunsets, outdoor scenes, and anything that benefits from a gentle, filmic warmth. Adjust the intensity slider so it complements your footage rather than overwhelms it. If one clip looks too strong compared to others, lower the intensity for that clip to keep the look consistent. Finally, add transitions. Use them sparingly. Simple cross dissolves at short durations often look the most cinematic. Place transitions only where a gentle fade helps the mood. Otherwise, rely on clean cuts and natural motion between shots. If two clips share similar movement or framing, a cut without a transition can feel even more professional. Preview your sequence from start to finish, make small tweaks to timing and filter intensity, and you're done. That's your cinematic edit in CapCut.